Good morning, dear children. Let us start our today's class. To start our class, first we will read these two sentences and then we will read sentences written in bubble and then we will compare both the sentences. So first is, the teacher said that reading is fun. Second is, grandfather said that we must plant trees. And here in the bubble, same sentences are written, reading is fun, we must plant trees. But here the difference between these two is, these two sentences, these two words are directly said by the speaker. Here the speaker is the teacher and here the speaker is the grandfather. So grandfather and teacher are directly saying these words. So these are direct speech. These are example of direct speech. But when these words are reported to someone else, then those becomes indirect speech. Here we are using these words only, but we are reporting these words to someone else. हम ये words किसी और को बता रहे हैं. The teacher से, teacher ने कहा था कि reading is fun. Yes, so this is an indirect speech. Here we are conveying what the teacher said. हम किसी को बता रहे हैं कि टीचर ने क्या बोला था. यहाँ पर हम किसी को बता रहे हैं कि grandfather ने क्या कहा था. Grandfather said that we must plant trees. So these both are example of indirect speech. So dear children, today we are going to start with topic number 15, direct and indirect speech. Okay, so there is a difference between direct and indirect speech. First difference is, direct speech is directly said by the speaker. Yes, direct speech is directly said by the speaker and indirect speech is used when we report what someone else has said. ठीक है, जब हम किसी को बताना होता है, किसी के वर्ड्स को, किसी की बात को किसी दूसरे पर्सन को बताना होता है, तब हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच का यूज करते हैं. एंड व्हेन डायरेक्ट स्पीच इज रिटन, वी यूज quotation mark for the exact words said by the speaker. ठीक है, उनको लिखने के लिए, उनको बताने के लिए we use quotation marks. Yes, so here reading is fun, we must plant trees are direct speech. That's why we have quoted them in within the quotation marks. Yes, हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, after said we use said in direct speech. Okay, and in indirect speech we use said that. In indirect speech we use said that. ठीक है, यहाँ पर direct speech में हम said only we use said and we use comma after said. But in indirect speech we do not use any comma, any quotation mark. So this is the basic difference between direct and indirect speech. Let us take a look at few more differences or few more changes that occur when we change direct speech into indirect one. Yes, this is given in your book, page number 93. Yes, so for this we have already discussed, the quotation marks are removed. Yes, and comma is replaced by comma after said, comma is replaced by word that. ठीक है, comma के बाद हम that लगा देते हैं. And this is very very important. Pronoun I and we are changed to he or she or they respectively according to the subject used in this direct speech. Like Sujata said, I have won the singing competition. Here pronoun I is used as a subject. लेकिन जब हम इसको indirect speech में change करेंगे तो who is saying this? Who is saying this? Whose direct words are these? These are words said by Sujata. Sujata is a girl, so I will be changed by she. I will be changed to she. ठीक है, I को I नहीं रहेगा यहाँ पर, वो she बन जाएगा because these words are said by a female. ठीक है, by a girl. So I का she बन जाएगा. अगर यहाँ पे होता विनय या विशाल, so यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता, he हो जाता. Okay, so we are changed to he, she or they respectively according to the subject in this direct speech. Okay, so tenses also undergoes a change from direct speech to indirect speech. ठीक है, tenses कैसे change होते हैं? Simple present tense changes into simple past tense. Present continuous past continuous में change हो जाता है. Present perfect past perfect में. Present perfect continuous past perfect continuous में. Simple past becomes simple perfect. Simple past becomes simple perfect. Past continuous become past perfect continuous. So आपको ये जो दोनों टेंसेज हैं सिर्फ इनमें थोड़ा ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. अदरवाइज सारे जो प्रेजेंट टेंस हैं दोज आर चेंज इनटू past tense, simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. But here you have to remember these different. Simple past changes into past perfect, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Yes. Okay, when reporting an incident that might happen in the future, so will और shall की जगह हम indirect speech में what do we use? We use would or should. Okay, when you see will or shall in the direct speech, you have to change it into would or should in the indirect speech. Like here, my aunt said I will come later. My aunt said that my aunt is a female, so my aunt तो यहाँ पर आए की जगह हम क्या प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? शी वुड, विल की जगह वुड रहेगा, शी वुड कम लेटर. ओके, बट the tense does not change in the case of universal truth. Okay, when any universal truth is given within the quotation mark in the direct speech, then that universal truth does not changes. उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं होता, उसमें कोई टेंस का चेंज नहीं होता. जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है दैट रिमेन्स द सेम इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एज वेल. लाइक द एस्ट्रोनॉमर सेड द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. द एस्ट्रोनॉमर सेड दैट, सेड के बाद दैट द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. सो डिड यू सी ओनली वी रिमूव्ड कॉमास आफ्टर सेड एंड दीज कॉमास. ओके, बाकी हमने कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किया. सो दीज आर बेसिक रूल्स, changes in the tenses and basic rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. और कुछ ऐसे words हैं expressing nearness of time and place, उसको भी हम change करते हैं. ठीक है, उसमें हम nearness की जगह हम distance को दिखा देते हैं. Like एक्सप्रेस, हाँ, इसमें जो होता है डायरेक्ट स्पीच में अगर नाउ है तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में देन हो जाता है. हेयर का देयर, दिस का दैट, दीस का दोज, अगो, बिफोर, yesterday, the day before or the previous day, last week, the week before or the previous week. Thus, so, last night, the night before, today, that day, tonight, that night, hereafter, thereafter, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, last month, the month before or the previous month. So, this you have to learn. Okay, so ये जो changes हैं these are very very important to be made in the indirect speech. So ये आपको learn करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so for example, Akansha said it is raining now. Akansha said that it was, इसकी जगह was हो गया because it is given in simple present. तो simple present changes into simple past. So it was raining. now का क्या change करना था? then. Madhu said Ramesh reached Delhi yesterday. So this sentence is given in simple past. Simple past changes into past perfect. Madhu said that Ramesh reached. के साथ क्या लगेगा? helping verb had reached Delhi yesterday. Yesterday means the previous day or the day before. Yes, so this is how you have to change these words in direct speech. These words of direct speech in indirect speech. ठीक है, आपको ये words में change करना पड़ेगा. So question number 1 is match the sentences in direct speech in the first column with their corresponding sentences in indirect speech in the second column. So आपको direct speech के sentences इसके correct indirect speech से match करने हैं. The gardener said I have been watering the plants. The gardener said I have been. So which tense is this? This is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. So we have to match this direct speech with correct indirect speech. So what will come here? The gardener said that he had been watering the plants. The gardener said, next is the gardener said I am watering the plants. Here which tense is this? Am plus first form of verb plus ing. This is present continuous tense. So this will change into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. The gardener said that he was watering the plants. Past perfect tense का क्या rules? Past continuous का क्या rule होता है? Was verb plus first form of verb plus ing. The gardener said, third is the gardener said I have watered the plants. So which tense is this? This is present perfect. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. So past perfect, The gardener said that he had watered the plant. So for this you need to learn rules of the tenses. अगर टेंसेस के रूल्स लर्न नहीं करोगे तो ये आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको टेंसेस के रूल्स आने चाहिए तभी आप ये कर पाएंगे. Now this one is, the gardener said, I was watering the plant. I was watering the plants means this is the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense changes into past continuous tense into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. What is the rule for past perfect continuous? The gardener said that he had been watering the plant. He had been watering the plant. Okay. The gardener said, I will water the plant. The gardener said, I will water the plant. This is future. This is, हाँ, इसमें क्या होगा? will का क्या हो जाएगा? would हो जाएगा. Okay. So will का would कहाँ पर हुआ है? इस वाले sentence में. ठीक है. So we have done this question number 1 and question number 2 we will be doing in our next class. Okay. Thank you.